Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV, and in this video I will give you the best and only MP3 Quran recitation that you need right now on your Google TV to learn Quran without any stress. All you have to do is to turn on your TV, start playing Quran and listen to the recitation, and then from the home screen right here, just like what you see, there are different recitation and there are different reciter as far as different surah is concerned, just like what you see on the screen right here. Now, how can you download, install this particular MP3 Quran recitation and how you can navigate them on your Google Smart TV without any stress? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, I'm going to go ahead, start all the way from the home tab right here, and in my home tab right here, you want to make sure you navigate to setting icon. You can simply press setting icon on your Google Smart TV, and the next thing you want to do is to click on OK. Then it's going to take you right here. You want to make sure you scroll down, continue to scroll down and click on apps. Then go ahead and click on open your Google Play Store right here. Then click on open, and then here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then make sure you navigate to search. And then you want to make sure you click on search right here, and then go ahead and type in MP3. All right, so go ahead and type in MP3, MP3. So you can see the suggestion, click on OK. Then you have MP3 right here. Then go ahead and click on search. Then you have it right here. What you need is this one right here. All you have to do is to click on OK, and it's going to take you right here. MP3 Quran. All you have to do are these sections right here. Click on install. Then here, allow the installation to run completely. After successful installation, go ahead and click on open, and it's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you have to make sure you choose your language. So at the time of making this video, these are available languages right here. Okay, just make sure you choose the language you understand right here. Okay, so here I'm going to simply choose English language. So select my language right here, and then here you go. You have your reciters, you have surah, you have change language, you have search, you have about us. Now you can simply choose your tafsir or reciter right here. Click on reciter. Then here you go. You have different reciter right here. Okay. So if you want to listen to any of the different reciter right here, so you just make sure you scroll down right here and choose your reciter. Okay. Let's say for instance, I want to choose this reciter right here, Khalid Al-Jalil. So click on the reciter. Then navigate to the name right here. And then here you go. You have surah, starting from surah to Fatiha right here. So you can start from the surah to Fatiha, or better still, you can navigate to another surah of your choice, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the surah by this particular reciter, which is Khalid Al-Jalil. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the surah, right from surah chapter 1 to 114 surah, which is An-Nas, just like so. So anyone you want to listen to right here, just select the surah. Like for instance, if I want to listen to surah to Baqarah, so I have to come to the top. So go to the top right here. Okay, I want to listen to Al-Mulk. Click on it, and then it's going to start playing right here. And then this is just about 5 minutes plus surah. It's that simple. Then from here, you can start listening to the Quran as the case may be. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, let me know what you think about this particular app in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.